Alright guys, here with this cool RC car. This thing's awesome. My son's only got it on like half speed right now, just as he gets used to it and everything. Will you go ahead and pump it up for the video though for a sec? Hit it. Yeah. Thing's pretty quick. It's got an awesome suspension on it. And yeah, easy to control. You can turn real sharp if you needed to. If you let off the gas and turn it, it's going to turn real sharp. If you're full speed, not so much, which is perfect. He's been having a blast with this thing though. Really good suspension, as you can see. Super smooth. Basically floats over the grass. We've been hitting this ramp right here too. We've been trying to. There you go. Get you some, bud. So anyways, highly recommend this thing. Super cool RC car, super durable, fast, quick charging.